Good morning. I am Sagar Dalvi, batch July 2021. Today's date is 13th October 2021, and today's our video topic is string method in Java. So before switching to the actual topic, let's discuss why Java language follow a class object path to implement the string. The most used data type in Java is string. So Java provide many inbuilt method to manipulate the string. That's why Java follow the object path to implement the string, which is we can create the object by using the string class, which is available in java.lang. And today we are going to discuss various method or inbuilt method available with that string class. We know that we can create string by using two way. The first one is by using the literal constant, and second way by using the new keyword. We have the five constructor in Java string class. The first one is a non-parameterized constructor. Second one is parameterized constructor, means we can create the string which is equivalent to the parameter, and we have the three copy constructor. The first copy constructor is we can pass the object of string buffer as a argument to the parameter of the string class, which is create string equivalent to the string buffer. The another copy constructor is string builder, means we can create the object equivalent to the string buffer. And third copy constructor is array, means we can pass the array to the string constructor, which we after that we will get the string equivalent to the array. So these are the five constructor available in the string class. So let's discuss some important method in string class. The first method is first and the mostly used method is length method. We know that in array length method, in array we have the length variable, but in string we have the length method. The string follow the index system. That's why we can access a random character in string with very efficient way, or big of 1. Due to a string follow the index system, the first character is at 0th index and last character is at length minus 1 character. With comparison to the array, in array size of array is fixed, which is definitely the disadvantage of the array. We can handle that disadvantage with the help of collection framework. But the length of string is a final type, means the length method is of final. Is it disadvantage? No, it is not. The length of the string is fixed, which is implicitly define very important characteristic of the string, that is the immutability of the string. So this is all about the length. The second method is char add. As I earlier told that string follow the index system. That's why we can extract any character by using the index with the help of char method. The next method is code point add. As char method return the character in the string, this code point at method give the ASCII value of a particular character at particular index. When we cross the extremity, both char method and code point method give string index out of bound exception, because string follow the index path. The next method is a compare to method. Compare to method return the int, which is difference between the first not similar character, and if all the character in string 1 and string 2 are equal, then compare to method return the difference between the two length of the string. The next method is a contains method. Contains methods return data type is boolean. If string 1, suppose we have the string 1 and string 2, and if string 2 present in the string 1, then contains method return the true, otherwise give result false. The next method is starts with and ends with. Suppose we have the string s1, and suppose we have the prefix something, If that prefix is present at the start of the method, then starts with method give the result true, otherwise false, same as the ends with. If we have the suffix and that is present in the string 1, then we have get the result true, otherwise we will get the false. So that's it about today. We will meet you soon. Thank you.